Go. Water. Water again.
Alright, go. Yeah, this way. Yes, good. Yep. Point.
Water again.
Right, go.
You just point the space. It must be Mars. Go back again.
Mars?
Water again.
Go, then you finish. Yeah, go.
Water again.
Up. Yeah, now point.
Incredible. Space again. Wow. Water again. Let's go. Space again. Outside again.
Water again.
Water again. Almost something.
No, random. Random.
Oh, finally! Incredible!
Mali?
That's gonna be interesting.
Mali? Did you hear this country before?
Well, I hear it, probably from documentary on TV.
Did you know any people from Mali?
No.
Finnish?
No, it's not Finnish.
Here also Mali?
Yes. What's gonna be the typical food of Mali? Alright. 7 facts about Mali. Let's start with something easy. What's the flag color of Mali?
Red,
Yeah?
green,
Yes?
yellow.
Yes. You look it up on the computer before.
Yesterday.
Okay, invalid. It doesn't count like a correct answer.
Cheating.
What?
Second question.
What's the population of Mali?
100 meters?
Life expectancy in Mali.
Legal. You mean normally? Yeah. People live until which age? Yes.
How about Taiwan?
Around 80, 85.
Yeah.
So Mali, I think maybe 60?
35% of the population of Mali doesn't even have access to water. Plus, it's always been full of war. What's the language of Mali?
French.
And there are also 40 more African languages. What's the main religion in Mali?
Mostly.
Yeah, correct. What's the average salary for 70% of the population?
10 bucks. How to survive there?
The Great Dijon Mosque. It's a UNESCO building, one of the most beautiful buildings in the world. Joyce totally know what I'm talking about. What is made of this great building?
10.
3.5 out of 7. Still didn't pass.
So how many is passed?
Well, you need at least 5 out of 7 to pass. See you next year.
Here, Mali food pictures.
Oh.
Wow, their food looks amazing.
Yeah, that looks like typical African food.
For it must be most famous dish in Mali. They say all meals in Mali food is eaten with the right hand. Meals are often finished with a strong sweet tea.
Then we're gonna get also some sweet tea.
3 rondons are served.
First
First
for
for life, second for love, third for
That. Well, hopefully it's not gonna be our last meal. I want this one.
What's
Looks
this?
good. Senegalese chicken poulet YASSA.
poulet YASSA.
Yeah, if there is the recipe. Oh, yes.
Okay.
Okay, we got it. Dijon mustard.
Is this lemon?
Yes, it's a lemon.
So huge.
He's been chosen like the best one. The lucky chicken. Alright, let's go with the ingredients for our poulet YASSA.
Chicken, onion,
gonna be
lemon, chili, oil, tamarindo sauce, peanuts, Dijon.
Time. The onions from the poulet YASSA. So we can grill the chicken.
What?
It's really good to eat hot tea sweet after this.
吃光光了。还有一粒饭，真的吃光光。I think I can feel your feeling now. Is everything amazing good? Strangely good.
Yeah.
I feel my stomach is so good.
After the chicken that was pretty sour, the tea is sweet.
Kind of like complete the meal. Anyway, it's amazing.